What up, world? It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns, and you're in my car. This is a 2008 Dodge Avenger. Um, and I know you're probably looking at this dash like, what in the hell is that? But at the end of the day, okay, what you're looking at is a 10.1. That's how many inches that is. Android 8.1. This is a touchscreen. This is a double DIN. Okay. However, we're gonna look at something real quick because I know you're gonna want to know certain things about it. So when we go back here, you realize that these are the brackets that are holding it on, but there is actually nothing in between there. You see, I can push it back, but right now I just got it sitting out because I'm doing a test on it until I get my backup camera. When I get my backup camera, that's when I'm gonna push it back closer to the the dash. If it'll work, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna leave it just like it is because I'm fine with it being just like it is. Um, it has two USBs, this one here, and then one that's way down here, and that's for my 1 terabyte hard drive, but it's not on right now. So um, I'll do another video where I'm showing you everything that's on that hard drive because I mean this thing can do a whole lot more than what I'm about to show you today. So right now we're using the Car Launcher Pro. Okay, I got this on. I think it was. I got this off of Aptoid. I don't know if you can see it in there, so I'm gonna get close. Okay. Um, it's got it's got a whole bunch of different stuff on here. I'll just go ahead and let you see what's installed. And trust me, it plays pretty much everything. Netflix right now is not compatible. Now, here's the thing: I got an OBD2. Okay, and this is my OBD2 I'm working with right here. Let me turn it upside down so you can read it. Will it focus? Yeah, it's Bluetooth, and it actually works. How you gotta set this up? You go to your Bluetooth right here. Certain devices, no, yeah, this is the right one. Certain devices, you got to go over to your settings right here, okay, and then you have to use the pin 1234 or 0000. Okay, so if you get it where you got a device and it won't pair up, or it'll say it's paired, just like okay, just like how the Xbox wireless controller says it's paired, the OBD2 says it's paired. This phone will pair, but the ODB2 and the phone do 1234. You see what I'm saying? And what's so unique about the phone, you can change it to whatever passcode you want to. Okay, so that's up to you. With certain devices, it's hardwired for it to be 1234 or either 40. So just know that that's how you get it to connect. And once you get it to connect, just change over here in the settings. You can go right here, and if I want to change this to 0000, I could, but we're not gonna worry about it for right now. Okay. Um, let's see. Like, uh, I probably got stuff on here I really don't need, but I got emulators. We'll do all this stuff later. Um, but for the most part, what you see is what you get, and it actually works, and it works really, really good. So they got the OG YouTube. I'm not sure if it'll work on here or not, and I may have to install that. Okay, well it's working, so we're not gonna reinvent the wheel here. But as you can see, it's got whatever. I'm not sure if it'll let me play certain stuff and get away with it on YouTube, but we will find out. And this is playing through my Wi-Fi. You know, we can go. And if I had other screens in the car at one point, and I wish I would have kept them because it would have played on the other screens as well. Was showing up here. Let's see. So if I wanted on OG YouTube, if I wanted to, what does it say? Right permissions. Da, da, da. I'm just gonna go to OK, and we're gonna let it right over the top. Go back up. We're gonna allow, and we're gonna play it. Okay, and see what I'm saying? This is with OG YouTube. Oh, yeah. See, it's not wanting to really. That's fine. It really don't want to work right like it's supposed to. It's supposed to show me the screen, that the dashboard, yada yada. But far as I know, I had to put this emblem here myself with the car launcher app. You got to get the pro version to do that. This tells me the miles per hour. Um, it actually has a speedometer on there, but I like it because it matches. I found a picture of that and it matches that. So let's see, Google Maps, right? I'm gonna try to make this as swift as possible. It does everything it's supposed to do. Um, I know we're 7 minutes in, so let's back off this. And this is where we're at right here at the home. Okay. So with that being said, it does satellite too. And I can zoom in there. The whole nine. It's off the chain. I like that. Got Play Store, YouTube, of course. I got BTV. Now, what BTV is, when it shows up. See, it lets you watch movies and TV and stuff like that. So if I want to go to movies, it's got all these. So it's got that new Child's Play, Avengers Endgame. So if I wanted to watch that, I could. You know what I'm saying? I just press this right here. Yeah. And it'll do its thing. I am very happy with this as a system. I'm going to show you something that's really, really important. Probably knock your shoes off when you see it. As it gathered the things. So I'm gonna use this one right here, the first one. I'm gonna hit play. Now, the system itself is not laggy as far as slow. Now, when it tries to connect to servers, it's the server that moves slow. It's not the. So look, okay. Now watch this. Car amplifier. Turn that on. Now my 12s are on. So let's just jump. Let's just jump in the movie. Let's jump into some action or something. Come on. So we got. Yeah, there we go. You kind of know, got to know where to touch it. And see, it got some theater sound to it with that with the amplifier being on. I like that you can turn it off. So anyway, I'm gonna exit the player, and then we're gonna quit out of that. So you know that that works. It has a file manager, settings, and all that kind of stuff. So one last thing. Watch this. NBA Finals.
On June 13th, the Raptors beat the Warriors 114 to 110. On June 10th, the Warriors beat the Raptors 106 to 105. On June 7th, the Raptors beat the Warriors 105 to 92. For other games, try asking about a particular team.
And there you have it, folks. The Google Voice. You have to put that stuff on there for that to even come up with that microphone there. But if I was to show you, let's see if it'll let me. Okay. Those are actual settings of the. It's not gonna let me do it that way. So I knocked these off, right? And look at all this stuff I had up. See, and it's even got the Dodge thing there. So now we're back at nothing. Now I had all those things up, and you seen how well it was still working. So with that being said, it's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. Live, learn, live, and grow. Get you one of these on eBay. I got this for $95.99, and they posted it came with a camera, but they gave me an extra setup of wiring harness, and they're gonna send me a camera. And when I wire that up, I'm gonna be set to go. Okay. I love this damn thing. One.